In this video, I will show you how to hide the friend button on Facebook. Tap on your profile icon here. Then, select your name here. This will take you to your public profile. Now tap on the three-dot icon and select View As. You will see that the Add Friend button is still there. Now go back to the menu screen and tap on the gear icon. Scroll down to Audiences and Visibility. Choose How People Find and Contact You. Then tap on Who Can Send You Friend Requests and select Friends of Friends. That will hide the Add Friend button. I would go one step further. Go back to the previous screen and choose the Followers and Public Content option. Here, I would change most of the options to Only Me or Friends to reduce unwanted public attention. To double-check if the Add Friend button is hidden, tap on your name in the profile menu, then tap on the three-dot icon again and select View As. The button is now gone.